everyone, I hope you are doing fine. And today's video is a very short video which I am telling you about the roadmap for every student for the 11, 12 as well as the droppers. So all of you know that sometimes there comes the anxiety in yourself that oh my god, if I'm doing right or if I'm doing wrong, and there are many questions in your mind for all the aspirants. I've come across many questions. You guys message me on WhatsApp group as well as Telegram to let me know that what technique can I use so that I can be 100% productive or I can increase the level of efficiency. For everyone, I'm here to answer you all. Firstly, what is all about? The first question which comes is like, ma'am, like which book should I study? Like what this is the first question which every student asks, that which book should I refer to? See, I'll tell you what, you don't have a lot of time. See, every person is having the same time, and at the same time somebody is doing a lot of productivity and somebody is not doing even a little productivity. Okay, so for that reason there is one difference. The one difference is you don't have time to explore the courses. You don't have time to explore. You have time to focus on it. Okay, you have time to completely immerse into that course. So how is it possible? Take one proper course, one organized course. What you need to do is just take one course. Take one course which is organized, an organized course which has all the JE questions, which has all the JE PDF, which has all the JE materials. Okay, you can see our course as well. It is all planned. It is planned by the experts. So take one course, go through it, and refer to only go with two books, not more than two, and complete those topics. It complete it. It means completely. You should not leave any stone unturned. That means you should not leave any page from that book. It should be a complete book. You have studied this topic from this book. I'm not saying to study one topic from three different books. No, you don't need to do that. Just choose a book and complete it through that. Just let us know that if you are even buying a course from anywhere, it is a well organized course. You are going through that material and you are learning from it. You are studying from it only. You don't need to switch the book. You don't need to explore your mind into this book, and every book. Okay, everyone is having all the access nowadays. We are having internet. We are having everything. Okay, one thing more, because this is the COVID time. This is the COVID time. The one thing which is very important is you don't need to buy the offline courses. You don't need to go to offline coachings. I don't know when the coachings will get shut down and when you will not be able to go there. Don't invest your money as well as your time in offline mode. Start managing in online mode if you're not being able to do it right now. Okay, go with the online mode. This is the need of the time. Okay, this is the time when you need to, work in online mode more. Okay, and obviously when you will go with the online mode, you are studying it from your home. It is making your time it is making your time focus more on your studies. Your way of traveling, your time of traveling is being saved. Everything is on your benefits. Okay guys, so first thing, go with the online course. Second thing, go with an organized course in which you are having all the content. You can go through that. Or if even if you are referring, if students who are doing self study, just more than two books from one subject, no, only two books and you are done. You are completely done. Just study every topic completely from that book, and also revise it from that book only. Don't do the revision from another book, because this is the blunder which everyone makes. They study from one book and they revise it from another book. No, because when you study from that, you know that this was the page which I was facing problem, this was the question which I was not being able to do it. So when you revise it, you get to know that yes, these were your weak points, these were your strong points, and the revision becomes efficient. Time reduces of the revision and your revision becomes too strong, and you are even getting the recall of all those memories which you have been able to do when you were studying that. So revision is always from the books which you have studied, not from the new books. Okay, this is the concept of the books which is asked. Okay, another thing is daily hours. Ma'am, I'm not being able to manage the daily hours. What you need to do is focus. It is not important people who is studying for 8 hours and still no productivity. Okay, and somebody is studying for 4 hours is having 80% productivity. Okay, what you need to do is, what is the difference here? The difference here is about the focus. The difference here is about the focus. So what you need to do is you need to focus. You need to stay focused. You need to stay that no, These are the distractions. I am going to put away all those distractions. Right now I'm only going to study. You need to calculate your only studying time. Some people say, ma'am, I just wake up and I start studying. No, you don't do that. You walk in between, you do many things in between, you play on your phone, you talk to someone else while studying. This is not the focus. Your focus gets disturbed. What you can do is you can make a pattern for every 40 minutes. This for Because after every 40 minutes your mind even need rest. So for every 40 minutes, take a rest of 10 minutes. Take a rest of 10 minutes. Again 40 minutes. Again 40 minutes. Again 10 minutes. Okay. Do it like that. 40 minutes study, 10 minutes break. 40 minutes study, 10 minutes break. That will increase your efficiency. And also one thing more, that one day of your week should be for your revision. It is a must, because when you're not revising what you're studying, it is going in vain. It is important to revise the topic every now and then, after every 13th day. But firstly, do it in a week. Whatever you have done, do it in a week that I have revised it. Then after every 13th day of that topic you have studied, you're going to revise it more. This is proven fact that when you revise it once and after a week, then you write it in the 13th day, you're going to remember the topics very, very importantly. You're going to make a 1 week revision, then do a 1 month revision, and that is going to increase efficiency. That is going to make you confident that yes, whatever you have studied, you are remembering that. Okay, this is the concept of how you are going to divide your hours of studying, revising, and analyzing. Okay, divide it like that. Not only just study and study and study. This is not going to bring out the results. You're going to study, you're going to revise, you're going to analyze. Analysis is very important. That where are you standing after studying? Okay, if you're not analyzing what you are doing, so even if you're in a wrong path, you're not analyzing, then it is only going in vain. You are only wasting your time. Whatever time you have wasted, just stop it right now and analyze what is your actual real. Let's just give yourself a reality check right now, that what are the topics which, if even if you have studied that, and if that comes into your JEE Mains, are you being able to do that question? If you are that much confident that yes, I have studied this topic and then I will be able to do that question in JEE Mains, you are done with that topic. Okay, go it. Just leave it for the revision. If you're not yet confident, do it again. Okay, and then focus that where have you gone wrong. Okay, where were the weak points? Focus on that. Just think, just you are your best friend. You're going to analyze yourself and you're not going to judge yourself. Okay, you should talk to yourself. You should analyze what is your progress. This is how you're going to bring the daily ask thing. Now what is the last thing? That is the management. I already told you how you're going to do it. You're going to do it. First thing is the study. Second thing is the what is the second thing? That is the revision. And third thing is the management. Okay, and for the all the 11th and 12th, see, for the 11th ones, what you're going to do is you're going to go parallel. Whatever the topics are going in your 11th, you're going to go it with JEEs. Study the topic with the school or with the coaching, and then complete it with the, then add the additional courses, that additional topics that are in your JEEs. Complete it parallelly to the 11th course. What are the 12th gonna do? 12th are gonna do is you're gonna go with the parallel 12th course. Okay, and then you have to make time for the 11th revision as well. So complete the 12th. Firstly, if you have lost in your 11th, maybe some topics you were not being able to cover, don't panic. Firstly, try to complete the 12th topics completely. Like completely, if you are doing it in your JEE, you will be able to do that question. Just study it like that, your class 12. Complete like class 12, and then what is the time left? You're going to make it for the class 11th. Okay, you have to manage in 12th and 11th both. For the droppers, what you're going to do, you're going to first analyze what were your strong topics, what were your weak topics. Okay, so for the weak topics, you're going to do is you're going to make the plan that yes, I have to study for these hours. You're going to divide the time, that these are my strong topics. I'm going to give less time for that. These are my weak topics. I'm going to give more time for that, and then revise it. Revision should be equal. Firstly, complete the progress, make it to one table, and then revise it religiously. Okay, you are your best friend. You're gonna make yourself the best. Okay, and you are not even gonna judge yourself. You should talk to yourself, you should analyze yourself, you should get to know that what are your weak and strong points, and then you're gonna good to go. And I hope you're gonna go, like you're gonna excel in your JEE. Okay, wish you all the best, guys, and I hope this video was very, very useful to you all. So hit like button if you like the video. Thank you.